Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So, opening the same websites daily can be tiresome. Instead of repeatedly typing the addresses, you can customize Google Chrome startup behavior. Chrome offers several startup options: a clean new tab page, continuing your previous browsing session, or automatically opening a specific set of websites. In this video, I'm going to guide you through changing Chrome startup settings. So first, open your Google Chrome web browser, then click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then after, select Settings. Now from the left sidebar, you can go ahead and search for the startup option or unstartup. If you do not find it, you can use the search bar in the top. Then go to this option right here. If you go ahead and select the Open the New Tab Page option, this option starts Chrome with a new, fresh tab every time, perfect for those who prefer a clean workspace. And if you select Continue where you left off, Chrome will reopen the tabs and windows that were open when you last closed the browser. This is ideal if you're working on ongoing projects or frequently multitask across the multiple websites. And another option we have is open a specific page or set of pages. So this allows you to choose which websites open automatically each time Chrome starts. You can click on Add a New Page and enter the website address and repeat for all desired pages. You can also select Use Current Pages to instantly save all currently open tabs. Each option takes effect immediately, so the next time you launch Chrome, it will reflect your chosen startup preference. So that's it. Now Chrome will open exactly how you want it to every time. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.